So Pratyahar, the this is actually one anga of yoga. Okay, so this is when we start with the when we go for actually dhyan dharana samadhi, but before that we should have a pratyahar. Pratyahar is actually internalizing your sense organs. What is the internalizing one? That your sense organ should not affect your mind. For example, I'll just see the example. If I say Bhagavad Gita, okay, I feel religious immediately. But at the same time, if I say a very bad organism, I immediately feel very bad. Now, what Sri Krishna said, what yoga says, that both the things, good and bad, should not be there. It should be like it's a part of life. So, if good thing is there, very good. But there will be a comparison to bad thing. The origination of bad things are there. So, as a result of it, it will consume your energy. It will create a bad feeling. So, bad feeling, creation of bad feeling, that will cause aging. That will cause aging. And so, similarly, smell. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, and Gandha. These are our Jnanendriya. Then similarly our Karmendriya. So Karmendriya also, keep them in control, under control. Do not release them as if they are released like a ox. Okay, wherever they are going, let them go. No. Let's not restrict also them. Let's give them a very less importance. Internalize them. The first very simple form of internalization, what I found over the period of a decade, if we eat a gulab jamun, so if the person is not following pratyahar, he will end up in eating gulab jamun, 12 gulab jamun, and after that he'll say, boss, now if I eat, there will be acidity. Now I cannot take it more. Then I can say, see, you earn so much of money. You can earn at least 15 gulab jamun. Okay, you can earn 200 gulab jamuns, definitely. At least 15 you eat. No, he says no. Now the person follows pratyahar. He'll say that I will eat one gulab jamun. This is the starting of pratyahar. But I will eat it very slowly. I'll chew it till that it will be mixed with my saliva. And probably next time I'll eat it even half of that. Next time even 1/4. Next time probably even if I don't eat, I will feel that I ate gulab jamun, because I found that the sugar content in my body is lesser and lesser and fat utilization is more and more. I felt that I ate gulab jamun itself, because my body is getting anti-aging effect, anti-sugar effect. That is the first very small example of pratyahar. The another example is that, consider that there is some bad thing happened, or there is somebody actually left the body. We have gone to that person. We can understand from our sense that there are people in grief, and dead body is something which is unusual to us. Both of these things it should not affect, because the karma is there. What is the next processing? That is a pratyahar. What is the next one? What is to be done as a satsad vivek buddhi? That is a pratyahar. If I felt very hot on my skin, and immediately we withdraw, but at the same time if I react, we are not doing pratyahar. So No wonder that a person following a pratyahar will just see the burnt skin. They say, it is paining, let's remedy it. He'll not say that, my God, it is paining, now I will jump up and down. He'll say, it is paining heavily. So it is a pratyahar. So similarly, this pratyahar can be brought, for example, the one of the best example which I have seen, when we go in, say, some function, some function of some marriage, we are sensitive. My God, whether my collar is okay, my shirt is okay, my coat is okay, my tie is okay. And after some time, you will find that we are mingled with the people, and nothing is there, whether it is okay or not. But now let's greet the groom, and let's greet the bride, and let's exchange this thoughts, eat something, and just go away. The reason is that we walk there, we talk there, we exchange the thoughts. So what yogic sciences says, that if you follow the yam niyam asan pranayam, automatically pratyahar starts. So that's why it is not the yam niyam asan pranayam. So fifth, sixth pratyahar, they have not kept pratyahar at the starting. That's it. First is sharir shuddhi, yam niyam, then asan, then pranayam, and then pratyahar. It is not a first organ of our yoga. So pratyahar cannot be done like, I should start today, I should stop eating salt. No, cannot be like that. So it goes for many steps. Pratyahar is many steps. Pratyahar, and that's why it has compared with the tortoise. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.